What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I never thought I'd be that YouTuber to do a video in her shower, but here we are. Oh, and by the way, I do have on clothes for you nasties out there. So today's video is going to be a start to finish wash day routine using my girl Michelle's product line that's called Miche. She sent me all of the products to give a try, so I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review and showing you how I've used them. So starting out, we're going to first, adjust the water because I almost scolded myself there. So you want to get the water at a nice warm temperature and then just drench your hair. Now I like to do this because it kind of starts loosening up the tangles and also loosening up the dirt and debris that's on my scalp before going in with the shampoo. Now this stuff right here felt so good going on and smelled really good too. It also provided a really nice lather. I started by focusing it on my scalp, giving it a good scalp massage, having a little spa day in there, and then dragging it down to my ends, which as you guys can see, it actually aided in detangling my hair a little bit, which of course shampoos aren't really designed to do, but this one did a really good job of cleansing my scalp, my hair, but not stripping it. So once I did that, I just pinned up my hair to move on to deep conditioning. Now within her line, she has two deep conditioners. One is moisturizing and the other is a protein. So for today, I chose to use her protein deep conditioner. It's a very nice consistency, nice and thick. It's all the things that I look for in a deep conditioner. So I'm just gonna section my hair into 4 sections and start applying it. Oh, and it smells so freaking good. So applying that to my ends, focusing on that, getting a little dance session in, because I was blown away by this, like for real. This stuff was amazing. It took me maybe like 10 to 15 seconds to detangle that one section, and then I was moving on to the next. So because that one did so well, I decided to use less product to see if it would give me the same results. And you guys see right here, you see it. It detangled my hair so easily and I did not even have to use that much at all. So with the power of editing, just like that, we're all done. My twists look nice and juicy. So I'm just gonna pin them up, put on my shower cap and finish my shower and then come back on and we'll start with styling. So yeah, you guys gotta go. You gotta go. All right, you guys, I'm back. I've now rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair and we're about to see what this shampoo and deep conditioner did for us. I was really badly in need of protein deep conditioning, protein treatment or something for my hair because it's been a very long time since I've done one. And I have to say, I love her protein deep conditioner. My hair still feels really soft, but it feels like it's more fortified. It feels stronger. So far, I'm loving the products. What I'm gonna do is style my hair now using the rest of her line. I also have the Lavish leave-in conditioner that I'm gonna use on my hair. I'm gonna use her Quench hydrating and twisting butter. And then when I take my hair down, I'm gonna use her polished hair and scalp oil. I do wanna show you like what it looks like when I use her leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna apply some of this, and I apologize if there's any noise in the background. Hubby's outside working on somebody's car, which is literally right here. So you might hear some of that on the microphone, and then upstairs the TV is on too, so hopefully it's not too loud. This is feeling kind of nice. I love a deep conditioner that feels moisturizing time you put it on, and that's exactly how this feels. It just melted into my hair just now. Okay, Miche. Okay, girl. Yeah. Products haven't gotten me excited like this in a long time because I've been using like the same stuff over and over, and trying out new products, I forgot how much I enjoy this. I need to try some other new products. Okay, so all of the products are applied. I think I'm just gonna do a 3-strand twist out using her twisting butter. I have a few, like 2 3-strand twist out videos on my channel already showing you step by step how I do it. So I'm not gonna bore you guys and show you that on this video. I'm just gonna link those videos in the description box below and you guys can check those out. So I'm gonna twist it up, and once it's twisted, I'm gonna come back on. Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm gonna show you guys me doing 1 twist on camera just so you can see this consistency of the twisting butter. It's a nice, really thick consistency. Like, look at this. It seems like it's gonna be real moisturizing. So that's the first twist, and it feels really good. Feels like the product that I normally use on my 3-strand twist outs. So I'm gonna finish twisting up the rest of my hair, then come back on and let you guys see what we're gonna start as. I'm gonna let it air dry and all of that, and then come back on tomorrow so we can see the finished product of this 3-strand twist out. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I've taken my hair down, and this is what we got going on here. It is looking mighty defined, fly, everything. It's giving me all the feels. I'm highly satisfied with the products that I've used. This twist out actually looks, I would say, identical to the 3-strand twist outs that I do with like my staple products. And if I can give my coins to someone that I actually know, who's a Black woman, entrepreneur, I'm gonna do that. So going forward now, I will be using all of Miche's products, all of Michelle's products, because I honestly don't have anything bad to say about any product in the line. All I'm waiting for now is just a gel styler in this whole line, and I feel like it will be complete. So Michelle, if you watching this, when we gonna get that gel styler, girl? I am definitely very happy. I can tell that this definition is going to last me a full week with working out and sweating in my head. I am over the moon. I feel like Michelle did a great job with, you know, formulating all of these products. I'm going to leave the information in the description box below for how you guys can get your hands on these products. That is going to be it for this review video. If you guys enjoyed it, as always, please give it a thumbs up, show your girl some love. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.